Parents plotted to sexually assault infant, a case outline. In Madison, Wisconsin, a case has emerged that defies comprehension. Skyler Klassen and Madison Bishop stand accused of unspeakable acts against their own 2-month-old child. The charges they face are not the result of a momentary lapse in judgment, but rather a calculated plan conceived even before the infant's birth. Give a like and subscribe. Leave a comment. The investigation began with a crucial tip received by law enforcement. This information led authorities to examine Skyler Klassen's electronic devices. The evidence uncovered was deeply disturbing, a trove of child pornography. Klassen eventually admitted to sexually assaulting the infant and recording the heinous act. He was apprehended in Nevada and subsequently extradited to Wisconsin on April 9th. Madison Bishop was taken into custody shortly thereafter on April 15th. The gravity of Skyler Klassen's alleged crimes is reflected in the severity of the charges. He faces counts of first-degree child sexual assault, a charge that carries significant penalties. He's also charged with incest, further underscoring the depravity of his actions. In addition, Klassen is charged with 4 counts of child exploitation. These charges stem from the creation and distribution of illicit material. He also faces 4 counts of possession of child pornography, solidifying the case against him. Madison Bishop is accused of failing to protect her child from harm. She faces a charge of failure to act/sexual assault of a child. This charge reflects her alleged complicity in the abuse. Furthermore, Bishop is charged with conspiracy to commit first-degree child sexual assault. This charge indicates that she actively participated in planning the assault. The legal system will determine the extent of her involvement. What sets this case apart is the alleged premeditation involved. Investigators believe that Klassen and Bishop planned the assault well in advance of the child's birth. This chilling detail reveals a disturbing level of intent. Evidence suggests that the couple exchanged messages discussing their intentions. These communications allegedly contained graphic descriptions of the planned abuse. The details are deeply disturbing and paint a picture of calculated cruelty. The couple allegedly shared child pornography with each other. This exchange further demonstrates the disturbing nature of their relationship. It also highlights the extent of their depravity. Beyond the sexual assault, there are additional details that amplify the horror of this case. The couple allegedly discussed plans to sell their child. This revelation adds another layer of complexity and depravity to the situation. Both parents are currently in custody at the Dane County Jail. They await further legal proceedings. The wheels of justice are turning. Skyler Klassen waived his preliminary hearing. This decision moves the case closer to trial. The prosecution will now prepare its case against him. Madison Bishop's preliminary hearing is scheduled for April 30th. At this hearing, the court will determine if there is sufficient evidence to proceed with the charges against her. The outcome of this hearing will be crucial. Klassen's cash bond has been set at $300,000. This high bond reflects the severity of the charges. It also aims to ensure that he does not flee. Conditions of his release include no contact with the victim or any juvenile. These conditions are designed to protect vulnerable individuals. They also aim to prevent further harm. This case has sent shockwaves through the community. The allegations are deeply disturbing and difficult to comprehend. The community grapples with the reality of such depravity occurring within its borders. The case highlights the depths of depravity to which some individuals can sink. It serves as a stark reminder of the evil that exists in the world. It also underscores the importance of vigilance and protection. It emphasizes the importance of protecting vulnerable children. Children are the most innocent and defenseless members of society. They deserve our utmost care and protection. The Madison Police Department's Special Victims Unit, SVU, played a crucial role in this investigation. They received the initial tip that led to the arrests. Their expertise and dedication were essential in uncovering the truth. Additional evidence was recovered relating to the sexual assault of a child. This evidence further strengthened the case against the defendants. It also provided a clearer picture of the events that transpired. Klassen was taken into custody on an active arrest warrant out of Nevada. This warrant was unrelated to the current charges. However, it allowed law enforcement to apprehend him quickly. The assault allegedly happened on April 7th, just 2 days before Klassen was taken into custody. This timeline suggests a rapid escalation of events. It also highlights the urgency of the situation. The messages between Klassen and Bishop contained graphic descriptions of child sexual assault. These messages are a key piece of evidence in the case. They reveal the couple's intentions and actions. The couple frequently sent each other images and videos of child pornography involving other children. This exchange demonstrates a shared interest in child exploitation. It also highlights the extent of their depravity.